Hello, and welcome to Velocity Academy. This short video will guide both employers and apprentices through the onboarding process, helping you understand exactly what happens before learning begins. Step 1. Complete your apprenticeship service reservation. The first step is to complete your reservation on the digital apprenticeship service and approve the apprentice record within your Velocity Academy account. This allows us to confirm funding and begin preparing the apprentice for enrollment. Step 2. Sign the contract for services. Your partnership manager will send a contract for services document via DocuSign. Please review and sign this document as soon as possible so we can continue with the onboarding process. Step 3. Schedule the onboarding call. Once the paperwork is underway, we will arrange an onboarding call with the apprentice and their line manager. This meeting will take place via Microsoft Teams and is an important part of the enrollment process. Step 4. Complete learner registration on BUD. Before the onboarding call, the apprentice will receive access to our learning management system, BUD. The apprentice will be asked to complete their self-registration, add their personal details, provide information about their previous learning experience, and complete a skills scan. The skills scan is particularly important. When completing this assessment, apprentices should honestly assess their current knowledge and experience against the program criteria. It is important not to overestimate current ability, as an inaccurate assessment could affect eligibility for the program if it appears that no further learning is required. Step 5. Complete English and Maths initial assessments. Apprentices will also be given access to our PASS platform to complete initial assessments in English and Maths. These assessments are mandatory for all apprenticeship programs. The purpose of these assessments is to establish the apprentice's starting point and help us identify whether any additional support may be beneficial during the program. The results do not determine whether an apprentice can enroll onto the program. Please ensure these assessments are completed before the onboarding call takes place. Step 6. Attend the onboarding. During the onboarding call, the apprentice and line manager will complete any remaining funding and enrolment documentation. This typically includes the apprenticeship agreement, training plan, and the agreed funding documentation. This is all completed on the BUD system and hosted through Microsoft Teams. Once these documents have been completed, we will provide a demonstration of the BUD learning management system and explain how the apprentice will access learning resources, submit assignments, and track progress throughout the program. The apprentice will also receive their learning timetable and understand what is expected throughout their apprenticeship journey. Step 7. Begin learning. At the end of the onboarding call, the apprentice will be issued with their first learning task. This task must be completed on the same day as the onboarding session and marks the official start of the apprenticeship program. We look forward to supporting both employers and apprentices throughout their learning journey and helping every learner achieve their goals with Velocity Academy. Velocity Academy, closing the digital skills gap through apprenticeships.